Okay, I think we found a spot here. We're going to go from this tree here. Hopefully I got the... Okay, we're going to go from this tree there up to that tree over there, which is it's a ways from here, but I think it's a good enough a run to make this work. So I'm going to put a pad here just so that when the camera comes in, it won't bump against the tree, and hopefully that'll work. I'm just going to put another knot in here just to make it a little bit tighter, and then we're going to run the string all the way up the hill here. So let's see what happens. All right, this is where it gets tough. A lot of bushes here. Now I can go see which tree. Yeah, I gotta go over this tree over here. This would give a longer, yeah, that should work. All right, so we're going to use this to go. Okay, so let me see here. What we need then is to put our little trolley on there, and I have to do that. In order to do, I have to cut this line here. So I'm going to first of all wrap it around here a little bit to get some excess line, and then I can tighten it after that. All right. Okay, so we're gonna sync the camera. That one got synced, and I guess we can get it in position here. I'll release the... I'm gonna start the cameras now.